Hi everyone, I'm Andrei Hratsidi, CEO of ENCY Software, and I'd like to personally invite you to ENCY World 2026, which starts on June 15 in Cyprus. This year, we are expecting a record number of partners and users, and we've made our program even stronger. We'll kick things off on day one with guest arrivals and our welcome party. Don't forget the theme, Formula of CAD. Come dressed as racing drivers and get into the spirit from the very first evening. Day 2 is our premiere day. Not only the global launch of ENCY 3.0, but several other world premieres you won't want to miss. On day 3, for the first time we are introducing full training program with 3 dedicated tracks: sales, marketing and software. Day 4 is all about personal connections, with one-on-one meetings with ENCY top management in a beach club setting while your family enjoys the sea and the sun, and we are adding something truly unique: block arts racing on the beach. And for those who want even more, Day 5 offers an exclusive visit to our R&D center in Paphos. Also, we are launching a new ticket category, the Digital Insider Pass, giving you early access to key recordings, presentations and private Zoom with our leadership and more. It is going to be an intense, inspiring and as always very human event. And just between us, it's a funny coincidence, both ENCY and Sting are going 3.0 this year. So the ENCY 3.0 premiere will take place at the conference in Limassol and the official launch will follow at IMTS in Chicago. See you at ENCY World 2026.